Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you give access to a Meta Business Suite account. So for that, at first go to this Meta Business Suite, and after that here you can see this is your account, or you can also go business.facebook.com. Now after that go to your this option, all tools, go to settings. Now from here, as you can see in the left side, you can see it is people selected. Now you can just invite people from here to give partial or full control access to your page. So for that, click on invite people, this option. Now give the email address that you want to give access. And after that you can click on this temporary access, or also you can click on this Meta Spark access and click on next. You can click on these business assets by selecting and select your business page and click on confirm selection. You can select these publishing files. If you click on files, all the above will be selected and click on next. After that, click on send invitation. And as you can see, it will be expired before 30 days. So before 30 days they need to give access and clear it. Click on done. That's how you can do it. You can also give the normal access, so click on invite people and let's show you how it's done. Click on this temporary access, click on next. You can select this if you want to manage this or this. If you click on this, it will be full controlled, and click on next. Select the business assets, click on confirm selection. Here you can see the partial access and full control access. If you click on this, the full control access will be selected, and if you select just like this, the partial access will be selected, and click on next. After that, again click on send invitation, and by this the two ways you can just give access to your business Meta Suite. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.